Verona, a city in northern Italy's Veneto region, is a timeless destination known for its romantic allure, historical significance, and artistic treasures. Often referred to as the City of Love thanks to its association with Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, Verona offers far more than literary fame. From ancient Roman ruins and stunning Renaissance architecture to vibrant piazzas and world-class opera performances, Verona is a city that captivates visitors with its charm and beauty. This complete travel guide will take you through 12 must-see attractions and tourist spots in Verona, showcasing its rich heritage and irresistible charm. 1. Verona Arena. The Verona Arena, an ancient Roman amphitheater, is the city's most iconic landmark and a must-visit attraction. Built in the 1st century AD, this impressive structure once hosted gladiator games and can seat over 20,000 spectators. Today, it's famous for its world-class opera performances and concerts, making it one of the best preserved and actively used Roman amphitheaters in the world. Attending an opera under the stars at the arena is a magical experience, but even a daytime visit offers a chance to admire its grandeur and learn about its fascinating history. 2. Juliet's house. Casa di Giulietta. No trip to Verona is complete without a visit to Juliet's house, a 14th century building that has become a symbol of romance. While the connection to Shakespeare's Juliet is fictional, the house's charming balcony and romantic atmosphere attract thousands of visitors every year. The courtyard is home to a bronze statue of Juliet, and tradition holds that touching her right breast brings good luck in love. Inside the house, you can explore exhibits related to the legend of Romeo and Juliet, as well as displays of period furniture and costumes. 3. Piazza delle Erbe. Piazza delle Erbe is the heart of Verona's historic center and one of the most picturesque squares in Italy. Once the site of a Roman forum, the square is surrounded by beautiful medieval and Renaissance buildings adorned with frescoes. At its center stands the Madonna Verona fountain, a symbol of the city, and the square is lined with market stalls, selling everything from fresh produce to souvenirs. Nearby, the Torre delle Lamberti offers panoramic views of Verona. 4. Castelvecchio and Castelvecchio Bridge. Castelvecchio, a medieval fortress built in the 14th century, is one of Verona's most striking landmarks. Once a military stronghold, it now houses the Castelvecchio Museum, which features an impressive collection of art, sculptures, and medieval weaponry. The castle's imposing walls and towers offer a glimpse into Verona's turbulent history. Adjacent to the castle is the Castelvecchio Bridge, an architectural masterpiece that spans the Adige River. 5. Torre delle Lamberti. For the best views of Verona, climb the Torre delle Lamberti, a medieval tower that rises 84 meters above the city. Built in the 12th century and later extended, the tower offers breathtaking, panoramic vistas of Verona's rooftops, churches, and surrounding hills. An elevator is available for those who prefer not to climb the stairs. At the top, the views are truly spectacular, and you can also see the tower's historic bells up close. 6. Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore. The Basilica of San Zeno Maggiore is a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture and one of Verona's most important religious sites. Dedicated to Saint Zeno, the city's patron saint, the basilica features a stunning facade adorned with sculptures and a rose window known as the Wheel of Fortune. Inside, you'll find beautiful frescoes, intricate mosaics, and the bronze doors depicting biblical scenes. The church's crypt is said to be the setting for the marriage of Romeo and Juliet. 7. Ponte Pietra. Ponte Pietra, Verona's oldest bridge, is a beautiful stone structure that spans the Adige River. Originally built by the Romans in 100 BC, the bridge has been restored several times after being damaged by floods and war. Its arches and cobbled pathways offer a picturesque setting, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a photo opportunity. The views of the river and the surrounding hills are especially enchanting at sunset. 8. Piazza dei Signori. Piazza dei Signori, also known as Piazza Dante, is an elegant square that reflects Verona's medieval and Renaissance heritage. Surrounded by impressive palaces, including the Palazzo della Ragione and Palazzo del Podesta, the square is dominated by a statue of Dante Alighieri, who found refuge in Verona during his exile. The square is a quieter alternative to Piazza delle Erbe, offering a more relaxed atmosphere and a chance to admire the city's rich history and architecture. 9. Verona Cathedral, Duomo di Verona. The Verona Cathedral, or Duomo di Verona, is a stunning example of Romanesque and Gothic architecture. Dedicated to Santa Maria Matricolare, the cathedral features a magnificent facade with intricately carved portals and rose windows. Inside, you'll find beautiful frescoes by artists like Titian and an ornate marble altar. The adjacent cloister and the nearby baptistry add to the cathedral's charm and historical significance. 10. Giardino Giusti. The Giardino Giusti is a beautifully landscaped Renaissance garden that offers a peaceful retreat from the city's bustling streets. Located on the eastern side of Verona, the garden features manicured hedges, fountains, statues, and a labyrinth, all set against the backdrop of a hilltop villa. A climb to the top of the garden rewards visitors with stunning views of Verona and the surrounding countryside. 11. Teatro Romano and Archaeological Museum. The Teatro Romano, an ancient Roman theater built in the 1st century BC, is another testament to Verona's rich Roman heritage. Nestled on the banks of the Adige River, the theater is still used for performances during the summer months, including the Verona Jazz Festival. Adjacent to the theater is the Archaeological Museum, housed in a former monastery. The museum features an impressive collection of Roman artifacts, including mosaics, statues, and pottery. 12. Santa Anastasia. The Church of Santa Anastasia is a magnificent Gothic church located in the heart of Verona. Its impressive facade and soaring interior are adorned with frescoes, sculptures, and beautiful stained glass windows. Highlights include the Pisanello fresco of St. George and the Princess, and the intricately carved holy water fonts, supported by hunchbacks known as gobbi. Verona is a city that enchants visitors with its blend of history, culture, and romance. From the grandeur of the Verona Arena and the charm of Juliet's house to the stunning views from Torre dei Lamberti and the tranquility of Giardino Giusti, every corner of the city tells a story. Whether you're exploring Roman ruins, wandering through picturesque piazzas, or enjoying an opera under the stars, Verona offers a travel experience that is as memorable as it is magical. With this guide to 12 must-see attractions, you'll be well prepared to discover the best of Verona, ensuring a visit filled with unforgettable moments and a deep appreciation for this timeless Italian gem.